Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about Amazon Basics 60-inch tripod. Let's see what's in the box. The package contains a zipper carrying case for a tripod which is made of good material, and the tripod itself. The tripod is lightweight with good build quality for its price, with adjustable height legs and rubber feet. It is compatible with almost all DSLR, video cameras, still cameras, GoPros, smartphone adapters and scopes. The tripod comes with the two built-in bubble view levels. The head is made from plastic material. That could have been made a little better. The tripod measures from 25 inches and is extendable to 35 inches, then to 48 inches. You can even crank up the center post of the tripod that makes it measure up to 60 inches tall. And three-way head to allow for tilt and swivel motion with portrait or landscape option. There's this handle which you can loosen to adjust the angle of the camera to get that perfect shot. Also, there's a knob on the side which controls the panning motion of the tripod. The pan mechanism is kinda not smooth as there is no liquid ball head. The rubber feet adjusts to help you achieve the perfect position. You can also adjust the camera to be in the landscape or portrait mode manually in the tripod. Quick release mounting plate helps ensure fast transition between shots. It comes with a handle and can bear up to the maximum load weight of 3 kgs. So who's this for? Well, I absolutely recommend this tripod for the beginners. At Rs 1300, this tripod is all you can ask for, as it's better than its competition. Worth spending that extra few bucks. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.